I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that you could advertise much better on the sites that you're advertising using some great graphics that grabs people's attention and gets them to see your ad. Because the name of the game is you want people to see your ad. Because if they're not seeing your ad, they won't click on it, right? Because if they don't see it, they can't click on it. So you want to get attention to your ad. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just on Facebook here to give you an example of what that is. So if you're, marketing online and you're using like words, you're just using text words, sometimes you could get lost in the shuffle here because other marketers are advertising using much more powerful things, and you want to, in a sense, especially marketing, keep up with the Joneses, so to speak, where your information is being seen as well. So as you can see, when you market like this with just words, it's not as powerful as if you market it with something like this that shows up. You're scrolling around, you see it right away. It captivates your eyes, so you're drawn to it. True enough, someone might sit here and read this, but it's not the first thing they see. This kind of stuff screams, look at me, and that's why people are looking at these ads because it's a visual kind of clue, and people are very visual. So you want to do and compete with these marketers. So you kind of have to figure out a way how to do this yourself. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I created a page that looks like this. And you can see that it has words on it. So this is more captivating than if I had, let's say, words like, you can see it's more captivating than if I just have just plain words. I mean, this stands out, but not so much as maybe this. And there's different ways of doing it. So you could do mix or match, but if you could do something like this and put it on some of the sites that you're marketing, use it as thumbnails or anything like that, it'll have a better punch to it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in the description of this, wherever this is, I'm going to put the link where you could actually get to a place like this, and I'm going to show you how I made it. So you can see that this picture here that I showed you over here, this is where I actually made it in this software right here. And it's a free software. And the thing is, you want to get your team up and going using different things so they can get, results. So you want to share things with your team as you find them. And the link will be in the description box. It's a free site. There's no, links to it that I have. It's just a link you can go directly here and start doing this yourself and get your team in on it so they could do the same thing. Because you definitely want to be competing with the other people out there who are doing this kind of stuff and captivating that audience and getting traffic. So that was something I did, and you can see it's right here. And it was as simple as, I picked a different, when you come here, when you click on the link, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. And you could just start typing words. That was the words I have. But if you want to say something like, great way to make money online, you can see how amazing that looks, right? As opposed to if I just type the ad using Facebook here, if all I did was just post it like that, great way to make money online, it just is not as punchy compared to it looking like this. And the neat thing about this little tool here, it allows you to upload your own image. So if you have a special image you want, you can upload it, or you could pick one of these pre-made image. And I'm just going to show you what that looks like when you pick one of the different images. So if I scroll over here, and let's get that here, I scroll this little thing here, I can pick any image, and it updates and put that image there. So you can see the image there, it puts that image there. So it could be any image, and it looks much better. Imagine doing this where you're posting this on some of those free sites you're advertising, how much attention that will get you versus just posting just a text ad. So this is a quick and simple way that you could help your team get going by showing them this technique of how they can really get their ads to stand out. So I'm going to put the link below. It's actually called, it's imageflip.com, and I'll put the link below somewhere so you could just click on it, get to this page, and just start doing it. And you generate the meme, or if you have copy and paste software where you're able to take a snippet, you could just actually copy this with a snippet, because I have a little snippet tool here that allows me to copy it. So I'm able to just like, let's see if it does this for me. So many ways you could do it. I'm able to just copy this. So of course I wouldn't have that in there, but I'm able to just copy this, save it to my desktop here, and then I can use it repeatedly wherever I want. So I could upload it, do different things, but you could generate the meme by just doing that. So what would you do with this? All you would do with this would be, you could go to sites like, Google Communities and post free ads. So you see on Google Communities here, different people are using, images, graphics, and that's how you could get your own and start posting on these sites so it actually stands out very clearly. So if you're, creative, and even if you're not creative, you can see that this is pretty simple. You just pick something. Let's say we pick this little furry critter here and say, let's see, make money online. Of course, you put something punchy in there. Join me. And that's as simple as this system is. Really a cool marketing tool that you could start using. So hopefully you see how you could have a way to use this for yourself in Best Easy Work. Really simple. Pretty much you want to create like really punchy stuff like this, and just go market it on Facebook or any other free advertising source that you have that allows you to put pictures on there. It's a great marketing tool because you can see they stand out much better versus those text ads online.